Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy chicken toast. Crunchy on the outside, juicy inside, and perfect for breakfast snacks or party platters. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup chicken breast pieces, put them into a blender and blend until minced. Chicken toast is a popular cafe snack worldwide. Transfer the minced chicken to a bowl. Minced chicken cooks faster and spreads evenly. Add 2 tablespoons onion, 1 tablespoon capsicum, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon oregano, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon pepper powder. Crack 1 egg into the bowl and mix everything well. Take bread slices and spread the chicken mixture evenly on one side. Use fresh bread slices for the best texture. Do not overload the topping for better crispiness. Spread the mixture evenly for uniform cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan on low-medium heat. Place the bread chicken side down and cook on low heat for 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Low heat keeps the chicken juicy inside. Flip and toast the other side lightly. Remove and serve hot. This toast can be served as a starter or breakfast. Chicken breast is high in lean protein. Homemade toast uses less oil than deep-fried snacks. Fresh vegetables add nutrients and flavor. Controlled spices make it suitable for family meals. Your crispy chicken toast is crunchy, juicy, and full of flavor. Serve it hot with sauce or dip of your choice. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy cafe-style snacks.